In this video, we are going to look at how we can publish this report on Power BI service so we can share it with stakeholders within our organization. So the first thing that we need to do is to save this report. So I'm going to click on Save. Then on the Home tab, I'll go to Publish. Now, to be able to publish report on Power BI service, you need to have a Power BI account. Now, to create a Power BI account, you need to have organizational email or student email address. Now, if you don't have any of them, you can use developer account. So here I have already signed in. So I'll go to Publish. Then I'll be able to publish this report on Power BI service. So I'm going to click on Publish. Now here I need to select the destination. So here we need to publish this within a Power BI workspace. Now a workspace is a place where you can work with your team in creating and sharing dashboards, reports, datasets, and other content. So here I already have some workspaces. So I'm going to pick Power BI certification workspace. So I'm going to select it here. Now this report will be published within the workspace that we selected. So let's wait for this report to be published. Once the report is published, you see this. So here you can open it directly within Power BI service. So I'm going to open it. Now we have the report within Power BI service. So here you can see all the pages. So here we have the executive overview. Then we have the profitability analysis. Then we have the drill-through page, which is the category details. Then we have the tooltip page. Now let's explore the report. So here, if a user wants to filter or apply any slices to this report, they can click on this to activate the slices panel. So here they can apply any filter that they want to apply to this report using the slices that we have here. So let's say they want to filter by channel. They can pick it from here. Maybe they pick a different thing, or maybe they use banner. They'll be able to filter this report. Now, if they want to clear all the filter, they can use this button here to clear all the filters. Now, once they are done, they can use this to close the slices pane. So here, if you want to use buttons, you don't need to hold down the control key. You just click on it and it will start performing the action that has been assigned to it. So here I can just click on this to collapse it. If I apply any filters here, and I want to clear it, I just click on this and I'll be able to clear all the filters. Now, once we have the report within Power BI service, there are so many ways that we can share and consume the report. For example, if you want to share this report and also have conversation around it with your team, we can chat with them within Microsoft Teams. So using this option, you can quickly have a conversation with your stakeholders around this report. So let's use this option to send or share this report with our stakeholders on Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to click on Chat in Teams. So here I can share this report directly with individuals within my organization. If I also want to share this report in a group or a channel, I can do that from here. So I'm going to share this within our data analytics team. So I'm going to pick this. And I'm going to click on Share. Now when I click on this report will be shared within the group. So all members in the group can have access to this report. Now I'm going to go to Teams so we can have a look at the report. So I'm going to click on Go to Teams. So this is going to open the report within Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to pick Open Microsoft Teams. Now let's maximize this. So now this is the report that we have in Microsoft Teams. So I can open this report right within Teams. So I'm going to click on Open. So now we have the report within Teams. So here I have the same experience as the Power BI service. So here I can move to different pages within this report. If I also want to use the buttons or activate the slices pane, I'll be able to do that from here. So here I can apply filters. If I want to clear all the slices, I can also use this. If I want to collapse the pane, I can also use the button here to collapse it. Now, if I also want to use the fold parameter, I can also use it here. If I also want to drill through to the category details, I can do that. So here when I hover, I have the modding tooltip. So I can drill through to the category details. And now we have this here. Now I can use this button to also go back. If I want to apply slices, I'll be able to do that right from here. If I want to clear all the slices, I can use this button here. Now within the same window, if I want to export this report into PowerPoint, I'll be able to do it. So here I'll go to export and I'll pick PowerPoint. We can embed this report as an image or we can embed the live data. Now when we use the embed live data option, we are going to have the interactivity intact. So here when you have a presentation and you want to be able to filter and slice the data, then you need to embed it as live data. With that, you'll be able to interact with the report by applying filters. Any drill throughs that you have, you'll be able to access it within PowerPoint. So I'm going to pick embed live data. So here we can use this link or we can open the report directly within PowerPoint. So I'm going to pick open in PowerPoint. So what I need to do is to sign in into my account. So I'm going to pick sign in. Now this is going to authenticate my account whether I have access to this report. Now once that is done, I'll be able to view and access the report within PowerPoint. So now we have the report within PowerPoint. So here I'll be able to interact with this report just like interacting with the report within Power BI service. So here I can activate the slices pane. I can also collapse it here. I can also use the slices here. If I want to drill through to the category details, I'll be able to do that from here. So here when you hover, you'll be able to see the modding tooltip. And using this option, you'll be able to drill through to the category details. Now let's go into presentation mode. So we have this here. So I can apply filters to this report. So I'm going to click on the slicer. And here I can filter this report just like within Power BI desktop or Power BI service. If I want to clear all the slices, I can also use this to clear it. If I want to go back to the initial page, I can also use this to go back to the page. So here I can activate the slices pane and then go ahead and apply any filter that I want to apply. So here once I'm done, I can also use this button to clear all the filters. Then I can use this to collapse it. Here I can also use my slices to slice and dice the data that we have here. If I'm done and I want to clear all the slices or all the filters, I can use this to clear everything. So here, once you pick live data, you're not going to lose the interactivity. You'll be able to interact with the report just like within Power BI service or Power BI desktop. So these are some of the ways that you can share your Power BI report with stakeholders.